Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix ACT CRM not opening after Windows update. So let's start with the first step, which is to identify the ACT has stopped working error. So after a recent Windows update, launching ACT triggers the dreaded ACT by Act has stopped working pop-up. So this usually happens because the update had altered the net framework, the Visual CC++ runtimes, or the SQL server, which is the ACT7 service permissions. So after that, you just have to close the pop-up and don't reinstall yet. So this is what they do most of the time, and it's just a quick fix. Next up is run the ACT repair tool. So open the control panel, tap on the programs and features, and from here you just have to find the ACT Premium V26 or your installed version. So you just have to right click on that and choose a repair. So this will reinstall the missing DLLs and resets registry entries broken by the Windows update without touching your database, of course. So you just have to wait for the wizard to complete and try opening the ACT again. Next up is restart the SQL server or the ACT7 service. So if repair didn't fix it, you just have to press on the Windows plus R and then type services.msc and hit enter. So scroll to the SQL server, which is the ACT7. So this is a database engine ACT depends on. So right click and choose restart. So make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. So without the server running, ACT cannot open your database and crashes silently. Next up is uninstall the problem Windows update. So if it's still crashing, then open the settings, tap on the Windows update, and then go to update history and then uninstall updates. So find the most recent cumulative update or whatever installed right before the crash has started and uninstall it, then reboot, and then pause Windows updates for 2 weeks while Microsoft and Act release a compatible patch. Lastly is ACT or the CRM opens successfully. So launch the ACT and your welcome dashboard. So this is you will see here the contacts, the calendars, and the pipeline, and it will you will see here that it will just load normally. So your database is untouched and all the customizations remain. So you're back in the business. You can log a task to remind yourself to test future Windows update on a single machine before rolling them out on a company wide. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!